Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. You know what I'm about to say about the bell. The bell is important. Click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Before we get into the video, my name is Iandra Baburam. It's okay to laugh, because we laugh after it sometimes too. It's funny, because when you call me all sorts of things, when you call me all sorts of ram, all sorts of draw. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 24, the day before Christmas. My nails start 1:50 a.m. We never reach home until after 3. Anyways, they're out the way. So this is it. You know I love something just cute and simple. So this is what I went for. So, chicken season. This have to fry. Well seasoned, you know, man. Ah, smells so good. And guess what? Una girl sweeten the cereal make and throat and guys, me think it tastes really good. I put down one little bit in the freezer for Jason so it can cool, so he can taste it and tell me how it tastes. But this is what I got. So this bottle and this one full. Ooh, I have everything under control and I feel much better. Yesterday when I come home, I look like one sourpuss because I was crying because I don't know the situation. If you know, you know. Check the live because I went live yesterday and still only have 3 gifts underneath the tree. Oh, talking about gifts, let me show you what I did. So the gifts are under the tree. Them here are my gift. So this is 1, 2, 3. I need to get a prettier gift bag for this one. I don't love this gift bag. It's just a white plain bag. So them here are my gift, and Jason put his gifts over this side, guys. Me not go peeping at them. I am not like that. Me not ruin my own surprise. So you see them over there, so Jason stuffed the top with tissue paper. So me can't see what in it, and I'm not gonna cheat out myself. I want to get the surprise when I'm opening the gifts tomorrow. So them they are theme gift. It need 2 more anyways. He got them yesterday. I don't know when put them, so whenever him ready, him can come add them. So Jason got all his gifts for me, and I only have 3 because yesterday when I went to get the gifts, I don't know how the situation go. So that's why I only have 3 gifts underneath it, but I'll let it work. To them we try to work out something, but yeah. Now when I come on the vlog and tell you something, I get the things I'm done. Remember the video is edited. So when me edit it, it sounds like it's easy, but it's not easy. I can't think so for true because we make things look like it's easy. Preparing for Christmas is not easy, especially when you are cook the Christmas dinner, everybody are come over. You just need to get everything in place and all of that. Big shout out to Jason. Trust me. You see, teamwork, I can't stop talking about teamwork. My work wasn't hard because Jason did a lot of stuff. So the dust down and the moving up of the room, the wiping down are the things them there were Jason do. So all I had to do was just to come, put on the cushion cover, then put up the curtain, put on, just decorate. But Jason do the whole, even the room, me not move nothing. Jason not make me move nothing. If you know why Jason don't want me to push or move nothing heavy, but him do it all by himself. But baby, if you watch this, thank you so much. I really and truly appreciate it. Trust me, I don't know what more I do without you. I love you bad. Anyways, every little prepping what I can get done from tonight, I gotta get it done. I know I said that chicken there I gotta taste so good. 2 times I add green season. So green season I add to it yesterday when it's seasoned up. I'm gonna take it back out of the fridge this morning for add one next coat of green season because it can't too much. The real reason why I do it is because there's so much chicken. I say, you know what? It can't too much. Make it marinate properly. So I never OD with it today. I just add a little bit more. But yesterday I add the right amount of add. Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I really and truly appreciate it. Every app when I go on and just come on and find me and support me. And for that, I love you bad. Big up on yourself. EAP gang. I know I not have the name for no. But big up on yourself. Have a wonderful, a prosperous, a happy new year when it comes. Who could have saved this year can save something next year, better health, and just everything that is good. Me just wish it for the next year. Set goals, work towards them, budget, prioritize. Just do the things then we're gonna make on a life better. The gas done. Whoa. Okay. So, you know what? Forget about the breakfast. I can just make Jason taste the cereal here to see how it tastes. Make a bed, draw on some clothes, and get gas. I need to write them down. Hold on. Gas. Might as well just pull up a 2-cylinder them, because if we do that, we'll do another problem here right now. So the 2-cylinder them did it empty. Gas. Gift bag. Guess what?
Yes, done.
How you know? Did you hear me?
No, sir. Just feel like that one.
What you don't want? Like tea and crackers or 1 cup soup? Tea and crackers? So tea and crackers it is. And also, more if it come taste something for me. Come taste something for me. Let's go Milo and the crackers. I'm gonna make him taste the cereal. Well, if it not taste good, it can bad already.
Take off. Got the ingredient.
You take out it?
Yes.
Feel like a bad wife.
I know I was tired of waiting.
Mine. See one more right here, so. Babe, after me done sort out the house and sort out Christmas, me go take care of you. No, me I take out the ingredient, then me go squeeze up your bump, then me I go give you a facial.
And then January we make you get a facial.
Okay. When him double drink.
How's it going? It's a good morning, yeah, people. Can't do it.
Ouch.
You man don't need to go, man. You don't need to go there, man. You don't have your on the camera looking, you know?
So you said the cereal go on?
Nice, man.
Okay. Just to get all them pixie gift them, you know, normally me would have been the one on top of my game. Watch ya! Boy.
Alright. See a little thing here.
What you giving me gift?
Oh, this.
Oh, that's not my gift?
Miss, humble yourself and take extra. Okay. Just a little nice side order for the side. This,
thank you, babe.
This is the gift, but nobody knows it but me.
Mr. Guys, him left me in the car for how much hours yesterday?
Look at the blue paper thing they were hiding there.
The blue one? I think one more piece leave.
No, you know what? No,
okay. Jason left me in the gift. Jason left me in the car for almost 2 hours. Go start out film pixie gift. And when him come back, tie up in a black bag. But anyways, as me say, me now gonna rob myself of my own happiness. Me want to genuinely be surprised. So don't feel like me gonna be cheeky and me gonna peep in at them or nothing. I am not doing it.
Okay.
Put a little one up front then, no?
Okay, man. Okay, man.
Babe, but yeah, I the little gift.
No, man,
alright, do it. Oh, you can do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do me thing, do me thing, sir.
Okay.
So, what do I say?
You want to push over my gift them then?
Yeah, man.
Push them over, babe.
Just one. You know,
hello, don't shake it.
Yo, take up yourself.
Alright.
Take up yourself. You know what? No, make it tricky.
Alright, so put this right here. So this I gonna get a prettier gift bag today.
Well, I have 4 for the day, so you have 3.
Babe,
oh,
they tell me situation yesterday, man.
Okay.
Babe, come.
Alright,
Anyways, I'm gonna open this and see what like Jason say. It's not a part of the pixie, it's just a little additional thing.
That's just for your vlog.
Okay. Alright, let me show you guys. this is like a sock. As me see this, me just remember say I know when I get with pyjama.
That's not a sock, that's a rag.
It's a rag?
Yeah, okay.
Babe, I knew it. It's cute. Me can wear it on Christmas Day tomorrow when I pull my gift them. Still vexed. Cause when I get with pyjama, me didn't want to see Jason in a pyjama. When you see me in my nightie set them.
So it was a Christmas pyjama?
Mm-hmm.
Well, as all time people that say, put it up till next year. Let me see the next thing.
It's cute. Oh, and this is vanilla frost scented foot cream. Aww. Sure no. Smells so good. Thank you, babe. Love it. So I can put on this. All my t-shirt when I order with when I say I go cook Christmas dinner in a.
Yeah.
You want me to throw it in the cup?
No.
Or you walk with it?
You know what?
What's that?
Come let me get the thing them fit to do the right from now. Cause trust me.
Okay, I'm
And
coming. So I just pop them in back because I'm not going to use them now.
Excuse me?
I'm not going to look as neat as how I did get it. I think I'm going to end off Vlogmas Day 24 right here and start something new because me and Jason are going to start out some things right now. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always supporting Jason. Really and truly appreciate it. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye. Hey guys, good night. I just got home. I get the last gift. Thank you, Lord. And all of the little changes that Mama said I'm gonna make, I did that. So let me show you it before I end off the vlog. Alright, so this is Jason's side. And these are my gifts to Jason.
With Rate Drop Advantage. That's more cash in your pocket.